This Road to Prosperity video is sponsored by Vandergraaf, the leader in the design and manufacturing of high-quality, premium efficiency conveyor belt drives. The Grizzly Drive drum motor is built to operate in harsh, dusty, abrasive, and extreme environments where performance and durability matter most.
What are you seeing in terms of busyness or demand right now for materials right now among your customers? And then secondarily, I wonder, how does that at this stage, mid-25, translate to capex, to those sorts of conversations that you're having? Because they're busy, but there's still some of those variables that you were alluding to in your first response out there.
Yeah. As a whole, most customers are still busy. I think that the challenge that a lot of producers are seeing today that maybe they didn't see in prior recent years is there may be a high demand for certain products, meaning maybe there's a high demand for sand in a certain marketplace and not as much demand for some coarser products, some coarser aggregates, or vice versa. So a lot of our customers are looking at their businesses and their processing plants and looking for help from us to be advisors and consultants to help make their plants more efficient and also help them produce more of a certain product versus a lower demand product at times.
As a dealer, I wonder, your customers, producers, contractors, in the regions that you serve, Greg, what are they coming to you these days asking for? How are you solving problems in terms of equipment? I guess what's the trend, or what are some of the trends that you're seeing evolve here in 25 as it pertains to equipment in terms of how they're acquiring it, I suppose?
Yeah. So there's a few aspects to that. One of the trends we're seeing is that some producers are looking at phasing in projects instead of maybe doing a capex project that would all be taking place in one calendar year. They're phasing in projects over a couple year time period. The other trend we're seeing with producers is sometimes they're not doing a full capex project. They are looking at machinery rebuilds, spending more money in the parts and maintenance and service side of their business and putting off some capex for a later date.
Thank you to Vandergraaf for sponsoring this Road to Prosperity video. Visit vandergraaf.com to discover the cost-saving and safety benefits of the innovative Grizzly Drive drum motor. Learn how the Grizzly Drive reduces maintenance costs while delivering reliability and longevity for belt conveyors operating in the harshest of environments.